So I decided to film this video as I thought it'd be quite useful for new students coming to uni. I thought I'd be able to give a few ideas and tips on how to make your uni room more cosy and feel more at home. And I thought I'd just share a few things that I did when I first moved to uni and how I spruced up my room. So the first thing I thought about when I came to uni was the bed, because the bed is obviously the main centrepiece of a room. So you want this to look nice and cosy so you feel more at home. So what I did is I got a really nice duvet set and then just added loads of pillows and throws and teddies to the bed, and it instantly made the room feel a lot more cosy. So the second thing I thought about when coming to uni was what I could actually bring from home that would make me feel more at home in my room. So what I did bring was photos, memorabilia stuff, just stuff I could decorate my room with that would remind me of home. So I've got like photos of friends and family and my dogs up there, and then I've also got like good luck cards stuck in my room and just things that remind me of home. The third thing I thought about when coming to uni to make my uni room feel a lot more cosy and home-like was home accessories. So what I could put up to make my room feel a lot like less spacious, because obviously when you move into your uni room you're going to have a lot of space. So I thought about accessories I could use to spruce up the room a bit. So obviously every girl has fairy lights in the room, as you can see. I've got fairy lights behind me, I've got fairy lights in front of me, and on my fairy lights that's where my photos are pinned up. But also I thought about windowsill decorations, decorations I could put on my sideboard and on my desk and stuff like that, and it instantly just brings the room together and makes it feel a lot more cosy. So they are my 3 tips on how to make your uni room feel a lot more cosy and more like home when you first move in. I'm going to do a little mini room tour now and show you my room and how I did what I did to make it feel more at home. So this is the main centre point of my room. Obviously, like I said, I've added a lot of cushions and I've added a throw here. I've got some teddies that remind me of home, makes it a lot more cosy and reminds me more of home. I've also got the fairy lights in the background with some photos from up, and it just makes the whole area a lot more cosy. That cushion there actually has my dog's face on it because my grandma got me that for Christmas, and I just thought it'd be a nice addition to the room to remind me of home, basically. I've also got this shelf above my bed that when I moved into my room I didn't actually know what to do with it, so I thought I'll just put a load of memorabilia up there that will remind me more of home. So I've got some good luck cards up there, some more photos, some candles, a light box, and then just this frame with loads of concert tickets and photo booth tickets and train tickets from where places I've been. I just thought it was really homely. So that brings me on to my desk area. This is where I sit every day to do my makeup. So I've got a lot of makeup stuff. I've got my makeup brushes here, deodorant, perfumes and just stuff like that in this little corner. And then I've also got hairdrying straighteners over here and a big mirror there. But also I do my work here as well, so I've also got a weekly planner hung up next to it and then a list of all my assessments. And then above it is a shelf where I just keep all my workbooks, course books, and then on this side I've just got a few more little reading books. And I thought it'd be really cute to put these jars to hold the books up just to make it look a little cuter. I've also got this desk over here, which is where I put all my makeup, and then just a little few bits just to make it a bit more nicer, more at home. This rose is what my little cousin actually got me, and then obviously a little print there that says, "And so the adventure begins." There's a adventure begins onto uni, and then a little candle. I've also got more fairy lights hung up all the way round with photos added onto them. I thought that was just a nice little touch. That was just a few ideas of how to make your uni room a lot more cosy and feel more at home.